Good evening everyone. Today we are going to do the daily Leetcode challenge of 15 February 2023. That is question number 989. Add to array form of integer. It is an easy question. The array form of an integer is given and we have to add k to it and we have to return the sum in array form. So what they want you to do is they have given you the array 1200, so it is 1200, and they want you to add 34 to it, that is 34, and you have to return the sum, so it will be 1234. So that is what you have to return in a form of array, that is 1 2 3 4. You have to return a vector because the return type is vector. You have to return a array or vector. In the second example, similarly, you was given 274, 181 is added. So when we add it from the rightmost side. That is 4 plus 1 is 5, 7 and 8. How much? 5. 1 get carried. We have to take care of carry in this question as well. If you haven't watched the add binary video, please watch it because that will make this question even easier for you. And now when we have the carry, we can add them. So it is 455, 2, 3 and 4. 455 is our answer. Now what we can do, if we are given 215 and 806, we start adding from the rightmost side and we have to get a variable which will start iterating our array from lastmost index. So there are three elements in the array, and that is index is 0, 1 and 2. So I index will start from num size minus 1 because it is 0 base indexing. Yes or no? So if num size is 3, we have to start iterating from second position, that is 5. So we add the first element of this. How do we get the tens position? So for getting the tens position, what you will do 806 modulus by 10. So when you do this modulus, what you will get? 806 modulus 10 will be 800 is, you can multiply, get the 800 and 6 will be left. So you will get the tens position by doing modulus by 10. And for the remainder, how can you get the left out part? You will do 806 divided by 10. So that way you can get the remaining part, that is 800, and 6 will be there. So now when you have the last index, that is 5, and you have the 6 from modulus, you can simply add it. 6 plus 5 is 11. And you will have to take care of carry. Carry will be initialized with 0. When it is 11, you can only store 1 here and 1 will get carried. So carry will be updated to 1. Now we decrement the value of I and we are at this position. Now num I is giving value 1, and when we do modulus of by 10, we are getting how much? We are getting uh, 0. Yeah, we are getting 0. So we are getting the second position, that is 0. And 0 plus 1 plus carry. Carry is 1. So you are getting 2 here. And now after this there is no carry. Then carry is again updated to 0. How carry is being updated every time? We will do carry divided by 10. So carry is updated to 0 after dividing it by 10. Now what we have to do, the carry is 0 and now this I is decremented to 2, and we have to get the next value. So before, when we did the mod, we are getting 0, but we also have to divide it. Yes or no? So we divide it by 10, we are getting 80. And now when we do 80 modulus 10, what we will get? We will get 8, that is our this integer. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 gets here. And when we divide the sum, that is 8, we divide the sum, that is 10 here. 10 divided by 10, the sum is divided, it is getting 1. So our carry is updated to 1. So 1 gets carry, here's nothing. So answer is 1021. So that is how you have to do it. Please see the video again if you have any doubt. Let's move on to the code and you will understand it better. So what's the first thing I told you? We will initialize a variable that is equal to num dot size minus 1. Why? Because it is 0 base indexing. Then we have to make a variable int carry is equal to 0. Then we have to return vector, so let's make a vector answer. Now while I is greater than 0, that we are starting from the last index. Also we have to check whether k is greater than 0 or not. Also we have to check if carry still exists. Now first thing will be, if k is greater than 0, what we can do, we can get the remainder. How can we get the remainder? K modulus 10. And before this we have to make a variable sum, and we was updating our sum to carry, so we don't have to add carry in individual steps. We can do this. Now sum will be added with remainder, and k will be updated to k by 10. That's what we have to do. Now when we are done with this, if we do if, then we have to check if I is greater than equal to 0, then we will do sum plus is equal to num I. So you have get the ones digits of here, and you are getting the last digit by this sum plus num I. So 4 plus 0 is being done here. Then after that we will decrement our I, and after that we was updating our carry to sum divided by 10, and we will push answer dot push back what sum modulus 10, just pushing the answer. So 4 from here, k becomes 30, then you are getting 0 is added, so it is still 4. So 4 by 10, you will get the carry as nothing, and when you divide 4 modulus 10, you will get 4. So 4 is pushed back. Then we will return our answer. Please try to watch the video again. If you have any doubt, comment your doubts, think of different test cases, and it should work. Let's just see. So what's happening? We are returning 431. Oh, before that we also have to reverse the answer array. Why answer array is reverse? I will show you. Wait a minute. Answer begin comma answer dot end. Let's run this and see whether it is working now or not. So yeah, it is running, and let's submit it. So yeah, it is accepted. So why we have to reverse the answer array? Because we are pushing the ones digit first. We are getting 4 here, and we are pushing the 4 in the array. That means what we were doing is, when we got the answer array, we are pushing 4 first. Then after that we are pushing 3. Then after that we are pushing 2, and after that we are pushing 1. So we are storing answer from the rightmost bit. That's why we have to reverse it to get the answer in actual format required. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why we have done the reverse step at the end. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.